in the rain. Okay, so it's pouring rain in Moscow. It's cold, 16 degrees. Where do you go? You go to the mall. Being in Europe's biggest city, you want to go to Europe's biggest shopping mall, and this place is massive. There's an IKEA, there's H&M, there's Marks & Spencer. You name it, it's all here. I'm gonna go explore it, and I'm gonna have some fun eating as well along the way. Tell me you weren't expecting Russia to be a little bit like the olden days, lining up for toilet paper. Surprise, it's not. So hungry, what am I gonna eat? Pasta and dumplings. Yes, please. Oh, I love this place. It's a restaurant normally, but this is now in a food court. It's got a lot of Central Asian food that we grew up eating, that we make at home from scratch, and here you just come and you buy it. How easy. Tiramok is my other favorite. Burger King, Franklin's Burgers. Just gotta make it sound really Russian. Pizza, McDonald's. Usual suspect. Everyone's favorite, KFC. Potato heaven for potato lovers. Lagman. Тоже хочу.
Lagman один. Больше уже.
Да, плов, пожалуйста. Телятина, да.
Достаточно?
Хватит. Largest aquarium in a cylinder in the middle of the mall. Every once in a while you can see a diver in there. Favorite aisle. It's all the canned goods. All the different types of mushrooms. Those are my favorite. The store has everything and more. And of course, my tarhuns, which is why I'm here. It's a really, really big store. Okay, so in the store, after you make a purchase, you need to scan the barcode. The barcode then opens the door, and the door then lets you out. If you don't scan the barcode, then they don't let you out with your groceries, and the lady just stands there and checks people all day to come and they scan. If they didn't scan or buy anything, then they get in trouble. They have to walk out the other entrance. They're not allowed to walk through the door without scanning. And they're going to walk around. They've got all these. They didn't take cards at the terminal. So then she scanned it, gave me a barcode, And then I took it to one of these the blank terminals, or the cash ones, and I could pay with a card. So a little bit different from what we're used to in supermarkets, but as a hypermarket, they've got everything. They've actually got more stuff than our supermarkets do in Australia. And yeah, but just done differently. No receipt, no get out of the store. And that's more than one store. You need that receipt to get out of the store.
Thanks for letting me show you Moscow. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel and check out my website for more Russian recipes. We'll see you next time.